ciao, hola, oi. If you don't know me and you don't know my channel, my name is Gabriela and I've been teaching Portuguese for more than 3 years so far. I have students from everywhere in the world and I love sharing my language. Well, I have this channel to talk about traveling, culture, and also to teach you some Portuguese. And if you are interested about these topics, subscribe to my channel so you have a lot of content. And if you like the topic of this video, don't forget to like my video, okay? Also, I have news. I just started a channel on Telegram, so I'll leave the link in the description and you can click in this link and go straight to my channel there, and I'll give you daily tips about Portuguese and also exercises. So join this community. And today I have a Portuguese tip for you. Well, while in English you have the verb to be, in Portuguese we have the verb ser and ESTAR. This can be extremely confusing and I understand why. I mean, for you it's just like one verb, for us two, and in this video I'm gonna explain you when you should use these verbs, okay? First of all, I'll explain you the verb ser. The verb ser is for what we consider permanent things in our lives. For example, name, nationality, profession, psychology or physical conditions, and locations. Okay, so let's see some examples. Ele é Luiz. Eu sou Gabriela. Ele é português. Eu sou brasileira. Eu sou professora de português. Ele é advogado. Eu sou baixa. Ele é magro. Eu sou feliz. Ele é feliz. Okay, in this case, when we say feliz, we are talking about a general way in life, okay? Another example, minha casa é aqui. A casa dele é lá. Okay, now that you understand the verb ser, let's see the verb estar. Verb estar is to communicate temporary things in our lives. It could be a place, a temporary feeling, or a physical feeling. Examples. Eu estou em casa. Eu estou feliz. Ele está triste. Eu estou cansada. Ele está com fome. Okay, now that you understand those things, I'll give you one exercise to do and you comment below the answer, okay? So you need to fill the gap in this sentence. Meu irmão, fill the gap, casado. Second one, eu, fill the gap, no Brasil. Okay, I'm gonna wait you to fill the gaps here in the comment below and I will correct this for you, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that was useful for you to watch this video. If you like this content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.